we are welcoming on stage the supportive and beautiful family of Honorable City Councilor Muhammad Ali B. Malgade. And concluding our photo opportunity,
Hindi pa namin
we would like to request the supportive and of course loving families of our City Councilor Honorable Shalimar Amirhan Kandal to please get ready.
Agriculture. Dahil malapit po sa puso ko ang agriculture sapagkat ako po ay nakatira.
Thank you so much to the supportive family of Honorable Muhammad Ali B. Malgade.
Kaya po na sa aquaculture, lalong-lalo na po sa aquaculture. Dahil ito rin po ang ating kabuhayan o negosyo. Kaya pagbebenta,
Thank you so
pag-aalaga ng
much. And now, completing our list
hipon at
to
saka
the families
crabs.
and everyone who made the inaugural session of the 18th Assembly on Campus of Pasco, from the SB staff to all the people behind maraming salamat. And now, we'd like to call on stage the ever-active, loving, and supportive families of our Honorable City Councilor,
Sa ating insurance.
Shalimar
Kumusta po ang pakiramdam
Amirhan.
na ngayon ay isa ka ng City Council?
Masaya po tayo dahil kahit na tayo po ay nasabing bagito sa
And now we see on stage, sharing their first group photo, we see in front the loving and supportive families of Honorable City Councilor Shalimar Amirhan Kandal.
previous mayor ng ating syudad.
First,
At saka
we welcome the siblings,
naging
of course, the support system, no? The siblings of course, City Councilor Honorable Shalimar Amirhan Kandal in Monterrey.
Marami po tayo
What a beautiful and powerful
kapitan kung sakaling
lineup
yung
of
kakayahan
a
natin
family.
ay kukulangin man. Nandyan po ang aking ina at ama na pwede kong paghugutan ng lakas ng loob tsaka na mga advices kung paano ko
And there we have it, sa lahat po ng mga pupunta from the families to our guests and visitors from the different sections of
Kasi
Palawan.
kanina nabanggit ninyo may market natin ng Palawan City.
And
Para
of course, the local government unit, very active and supportive Mayor para sa lahat, Honorable Mayor Muhammad Ali, Cruz de la Cruz Matamala, together with our equally intelligent Vice Mayor, Honorable Javier S. Madan, at sa lahat po ng grupo na may tinsabi ang panunsod ng Cotabato City. Maraming salamat po. Ingat po kayo po have a safe back home, and we hope to see all of you again as we continue to move towards excellence and progress. Wabillahi tawfiq wal hidayah. Thank you for joining us. This is the inaugural session of the 18th Assembly on Campus